Hello guys, Kirill from Skydrones here. Long time no see. Traveling was really disrupted this year due to the obvious reasons, and that's why I was not frequent enough with my podcasts. Anyway, I hope you're doing well, safe, and managed to overcome this extremely challenging year. So yeah, great to see you in my 8th podcast on the latest trends in commercial drone technologies and opportunities. Welcome to Green Park in London, United Kingdom. It's very lovely weather today here. As I mentioned earlier, this was a very challenging year for most of the industries. However, in my personal opinion, it was quite positive for the drone industry and has really helped to accelerate lots of activities in this space. Especially drone delivery applications had a very steep rise with lots of successful trials and demonstrations, both here in the UK and worldwide. For instance, our partner, London-based company Skyports, had been conducting the first UK-based hospital-to-hospital medical delivery to assist NHS in the battle against COVID-19. Over the course of the project, Skyports were flying essential medical cargo 17 kilometers beyond visual line of sight between two hospitals in Scottish Highlands. I think that this 2 weeks trials represented a crucial milestone for unmanned aviation, both in the UK and worldwide. Under current rules, drones must always be flown within visual line of sight of the remote pilot. To undertake these flights beyond visual line of sight, Skyports team has been working closely with the Civil Aviation Authority and the National Health Service. And this actually was quite challenging, not only from the regulatory perspective, but also from the implementation of the technology. Flying VVLOS requires not only autonomous, safe and reliable autopilot with various fail-safe features, but also stable broadband digital communication channels to have constant real-time situational awareness. And it's not just one channel, it's actually 3 data channels: powerful direct link, 4G LTE and Iridium satellite communication channels. Each channel has its own advantages and restrictions. However, when they are all 3 combined, they make rock-solid connectivity system. And at Skydrones, we are very proud to say that it's based on SmartLink, one of the most advanced products to date, combining connectivity and power computing on board of the drone. It's also worth mentioning that it's fully integrated with SmartP GCS, the ground control station software, which allows you to manage everything in one place. Now let's reflect a little bit more on our progress at Skydrones for this year. I would like to highlight the point that it's not the drone doing delivery, surveillance, mapping, and etc. It's actually the software. And we continue to heavily investigate in software development. In particular, we introduced an extremely important product for our enterprise drone ecosystem that's called Dronecloud. This is the web-based application for drone fleet management, performance monitoring, mission planning, real-time control, and post-flight AI analytics. Dronecloud is tightly integrated with all hardware and software products, including autopilots and SmartLinks. The data transmitted from the drone to the ground station is also available in the cloud. Cloud can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Drone and operator can be at the flight location, while mission managers can observe the flight sitting in a command center on the other side of the globe, giving valuable advice and getting exactly what they need. This brings situational awareness using drones to a completely new level. Every flight log is stored in the cloud and is accessible when you need it. Detailed flight log analytics helps to ensure the best possible flight performance of your vehicle and detect potential issues before your customers or pilots even know about this. Probably you are tired of looking at the elevation profiles and figuring out the way how the mission is going to look like in 3D, or are you flying in complex terrain environments? So all these issues are in the past. Just add waypoints interactively and view the flight plan from any perspective. Rotate, change, view angle, tilt, view from surface, and get back to orthogonal view right before finishing. Adjust waypoints position and altitude interactively to achieve the best mission flight experience possible. People who are really serious about the software should make their own hardware, said Alan Kay, American computer scientist. It was quite a while ago. But that's still absolutely true. And at Skydrones, we take it very seriously and believe that the power of drone technology is all about hardware and software working in perfect harmony. We design, source all components, and manufacture all Skydrones products in the United Kingdom. We pay the highest attention to the hardware design, manufacturing, inspection, and quality control. Reliability of the drone is directly affected by the quality and reliability of the hardware inside. We had started a few strong partnerships this year as well. One of them is with the Altitude Angel. we made another huge step forward towards the safety of drone operations. This partnership between SkyDrones and Altitude Angel brought the UTM integration into SkyDrones Cloud. From here on, users of SkyDrones Cloud software can sign up to a 7 days free trial or monthly or yearly subscription of Altitude Angel UTM within the cloud application with just basically 3 clicks. Also, we were very delighted to announce the participation in Project RISE consortium with Dronecloud, Skyports and Cranfield University, and receiving support from UK Research and Innovation Future Flight Program. Our main goal would be to accelerate the development and adoption of unmanned rail systems for enterprise by building connected hardware and software products for drone manufacturers and commercial drone service providers. We always strive to improve the safety and efficiency of drone operations, and this collaboration will help to bring this to the next level. SkyDrones was also selected to join SelectUSA UAV Virtual Inbound Investment Mission, organized by the US International Trade Administration and US Embassy here in London. The program will tour 5 US FAA test site locations and will include a platform to engage directly with expert industrial leaders, potential partners, and economic development organizations, as well as workshops on how to scale in each US location in the mission. It's a great opportunity for us and for our further expansion to the US drone market in 2021. To conclude this, I would like to say that next year, SkyDrones will celebrate its 10 years in the drone industry. It was back in 2011 when I started SmartEP, my university research project on UAV flight control systems, which later became a product and eventually a business with a wide range of hardware and software products for enterprise drones. And we are even more excited about our next 10 years in the drone industry. Anyway, that's all for now. It was great to share with you the latest updates, and I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2021. Let's hope it's not gonna be as challenging as 2020. Or if it would, let it be at least positive for the drone industry. I wish you all the best and see you next year. Happy holidays and bye-bye.